Now let us discuss about 8 queens problem using backtracking. So here an 8 by 8 chessboard is given. We have to place 8 queens on the 8 by 8 chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. So here we have 8 by 8 chessboard. We have 8 rows as well as 8 columns. So totally we have 8 into 8, 64 cells. So in those 64 cells, we have to place 8 queens such that no two queens attack each other. Okay. Now let us see some constraints. Here we have two types of constraints in backtracking. So we have to implement this concept using backtracking. So 8 queens problem comes under n queens problem. So we have mainly two examples of the n queens problem. First one is 4 queens problem. Second one is 8 queens problem. So let us see the constraints here. So the first constraint is implicit constraints. Here we have 3 implicit constraints. First one is no two queens are in the same row. So we can't place two queens in the same row. Second constraint, no two queens are in the same column. So we can't place more than one queen in the same column. Next, third constraint, no two queens are in the same diagonal. So we can't place more than one queen in the same diagonal. So these are the implicit constraints. The second one is explicit constraints. Explicit constraints. Here in 8 queens problem, the solution vector is represented by xi. So totally we have to place 8 queens here. So here the queens are denoted by like this from Q1 to Q8. So Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8. Here the value of this xi. So this xi is nothing but the column number. Xi ranges from 1 to 8. So xi value may be either greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 8. So this is nothing but explicit constraints here. So explicit constraint specifies each row should contain only one queen. So if we take this row, so in this row we have to place only one queen. In the first row we have to place only first queen. In the second row we have to place only the second queen. So that is nothing but explicit constraints. Each row must contain only one queen. So there is only one queen per each row. So here the solution vector is represented by xi. So here in the 8 rows, so totally we have to place 8 queens. Okay. So here this xi value may be from either 1 to 8. Okay. Now let us see the problem. Here totally there are 92 valid solutions are there for 8 queens problem. So it is extremely difficult to show all the backtrackings. So we know when backtracking is needed. So if there is a mistake, if there is no other path, then we have to do the backtracking and we need to explore some other paths. But here totally there are 92 possible solutions are there. Yes, there are so many cells here. So it is difficult to demonstrate all those solutions. Whereas if we take 4 queens problem, we have only 2 solutions. So it is easy to show all those solutions. But here it is difficult to show all the 92 solutions with the corresponding backtracking. Here I am showing one simple solution. So let us see that solution. Let us place the first queen 1 in the first row. So for that what I am doing is I am calculating middle of this first value and the last value. So 1 plus 8 means 9. So 9 by 2 means 4.5. So I am placing the first queen in the fourth cell. So place queen 1 in the fourth cell, fourth column. So we can't place another queen in the same row, or we can't place another queen in the same column. We can't place another queen in the same diagonal. Okay. So let us write this dash. So this dash specifies we can't place another queen in the corresponding cell. Now let us place second queen. So for second queen, how many possibilities are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 possibilities are there. So for placing the second queen, it is better to use the rightmost cells from the Q1. So this is the rightmost cell from the Q1. So let us place queen 2 in this cell. So we can't place another queen in the same row. Next, same column. Next, in the same diagonal also we can't place. In the same diagonal also we can't place. Okay. Next, let us place queen 3 in the third row. So let us take the rightmost cells from queen 2. So here we have only one rightmost empty cell from this cell. So let us place here. So we can't place another queen in the same row, same column. Next, same diagonal. Okay, same diagonal. Next, let us place queen 4. Here the boundary is reached. This rightmost boundary is reached. So it is better to set from the leftmost boundary. Here this empty cell is nearer to the boundary. Here we have second empty cell from the leftmost border, whereas here we have fourth empty cell from the rightmost border. So it is better to choose this one. Why? Because this empty cell is nearer to the leftmost boundary. So let us place queen 4 here. So we can't place another queen in the same row, same column. Next, same diagonal. Okay. Next, let us place queen 5. Yeah, for queen 4 this is also diagonal. Next, let us place queen 5. So here from the right border, so this empty cell is nearer to this border. So it is better to place queen 5 in this cell. Okay. So we can't place another queen in the same row, same column. Next, same diagonal. Okay. Same diagonal. Okay. All are empty only. Next, let us place queen 6. So here this empty cell is nearer to this border. So let us place here queen 6. So we can't place another queen in the same row, same column, same diagonal. Next, let us place queen 7. So in the 7th row we have only one empty cell. Let us place queen 8. So here we have only one empty cell. So here the solution is, so we have to place the first queen in the 4th row. Here we have to mention, 4th column. Here the cell represents the column number. Next, place second queen in the 6th column. Next, place third queen in the 8th column. Next, 4th queen in the 2nd column. Next, 5th queen in 7th column. Next, 6th queen in first column, 7th king third column, 8th one fifth column. So this is one possible solution for way 8 queens problem. Another possible solution is mirror image. So mirror image means reverse the values. So 5 3 1 7 2 8 6 4. 5 3 1 7 2 8 6 4. That means, so here the second solution is mirror image of this one. So queen 1 is placed in 5th column, queen 2 3rd column, queen 3 1st column, queen 4 7th column, queen 5 2nd column, queen 6 8th column, queen 7 6th column, and queen 8 4th column.